Hey everyone, welcome back to Cuddy's bookshelf. So it's time for September's Illumicrate unboxing. I'm really looking forward to this. So let's go. So as always, cut the tape. Here's your little sneaky peek. Great sneaky peek. So as always, I will just grab and go. First is just this box. Oh, is it one of those book pots that's like this? It is, it is. Oh my goodness. Oh! Look at that! Gothic romance. And then the spine of it. Sorry about the glare. That is beautiful. That's so beautiful. And it says, love stories that will haunt your dreams. Yes, please. Oh, I love like the candle holders where it's like your spine. I absolutely love that one. I really, really love these. I use them, as you can tell. This one here, and then I've got another 3 on the bookshelves behind you. I use them to put my bookmarks in. So now I've got another one. I love that. I love the pink with the purple for like the gothic vibes, because you get a lot of like red and black and stuff when it comes to like gothic. And I just love like the pink twist on it. Oh, I love that. Next one, next one. So, what in the world? Pouch of some kind, hold on. What in the shitnade are you? Is it just like a bowl? I'm gonna need the sheet for this. What this is, because I had no idea, not gonna lie, is, you know when you have like your soups or your stews or porridge or whatever and the bowl's really hot, you put your hot bowl in this. I love that. That's a great idea. I never thought of that before. I mean, I've just got tea towel, you know. Either that or hold it round the edge and be like till you get to the table. But yeah, this is a great idea. So this is the inside. This is the outside. I'm not overly fussed on the design, but I think I'll get use out of it though. Next one, next one. We have this enamel magnet inspired by Belladonna. I don't know what that noise was. Oh. That's a pretty magnet, isn't it? Lovely. Oh, I love that. It's very heavy. Next one, next one. Is based on If We Were Villains. Piece your own story. Oh, is this one of the jigsaw puzzles? Yeah. Ooh. So it's a jigsaw puzzle. So this is what the puzzle will look like. And then here's your pieces. And it comes in this really nice box that looks like a book. I think I've got a couple of these now. The book puzzles. But yeah, I love a puzzle. Right up my street. Oh, this would be nice. You know, if it's raining and maybe you're listening to a book on Audible or something, and you can just do your puzzle whilst listening to your audio. Bowl of soup. Next. Oh, I think we're... Oh, wait. There is A First Look at Lady Macbeth by Ava Reid. Ooh, August 2024. Ooh, that's a pretty card, isn't it? I'm a big fan of Shakespeare, so this looks like a Lady Macbeth retelling. So that excites me a lot. I really love that. It's a very nice picture. And then I think it's just the book. I'm so excited that it's this book because I saw this book on Waterstones and for pre-order, and I was like, oh, you've pre-ordered enough. No, you don't have to have every book. But then yesterday, day before yesterday, I was like, did I pre-order that? Because I seen someone on Book Talk recommending it, saying it's like they really enjoyed it and it's one of the new favourites. And I was like, oh, did I pre-order that? Did I pre-order it? Did it already come? So I'm here like scanning my shelves and I'm like, no, I didn't. It hadn't already come. I don't think it's out. And then I was like, did I pre-order it now? And I didn't. But now I've got my own copy. And it's Ava Reid's A Study in Drowning. So, but look at those edges. Oh, that is beautiful. It's given me Divine Rivals. No, the one with the books on the side. It's given me Divine Rivals vibes, which is a book I do not own yet, but I really want to get to. Oh. I love a good book, I swear. So, these are your end pages. How stunning. It's like you can feel the airy vibes. And it's the same on the back. And then, look. 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 How beautiful is that? Oh, I'm living my best bookish life right now. This is gorgeous. So this is about Effie, who is always believed in fairy tales, but she had no choice because since she was younger, she's had these dreams about meeting a fairy king, and she is obsessed with this author who writes books that is about a girl who falls in love with the fairy king, but ends up destroying him. I think that's what it's about, something like that. So she goes to this college, and her and this other boy who is also looking into this author's like paperwork and letters and books, and is trying to prove that this author is a fraud, and it goes from there. It's very, I love the academia vibes. I'm loving the potential romance and just a really great fantasy, and I can't wait to get to it because since I watched the review on Book Talk, it's just made me really excited, and I'm so glad that I've got a copy of this. Oh, it's just so pretty. So it is signed by the author. I have read The Wolf and the Woodsman by Ava Reid. I did unhaul it, but not because I didn't enjoy it. I really did enjoy it, but it was like a 3-star read. Still really good, but wasn't like a favourite that I will go back and reread. But I'm hoping I love this one even more. So I'm really excited about the book. So September's theme was My Last Breath. We had... So the book part, the Gothic romance book part, designed by Jane Tibbetts, so at Chattinora. Our next book part is inspired by all our favourite Gothic romances and is a colour we've never featured before. I really do enjoy that colour. Kiss by Death window magnet. Decorate your fridge or TBR cart with this gorgeous stained glass window magnet inspired by Belladonna. This is by Just Elfit. Then we had Botanical Bloom Bowl Cozy. Still think it's an amazing idea. Artwork by Holly Dunn Designs. Perfect for helping you hold any hot bowls. This bowl cozy features 2 different patterns inspired by Mexican Gothic. The jigsaw puzzle. This is designed by Chatinora. Piece together a story rich in dark academia with this stunning puzzle inspired by If We Were Villains, which is a book that I have wrapped up for my October TBR. So I think it might be a vibe if I download the Audible for that one as well. Listen to the Audible. Do my jigsaw puzzle to go with the book. Hot chocolate. What is my favourite? I'm going to say, because I love these, I absolutely adore these when we get these in the boxes, so this is going to be my favourite. I really love that box. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Do you get Illumicrate? What was your favourite item? What do you think about the book? Are you excited to read it? I sure am. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! What else is I know how to get into it? Oh! I think that's a great idea. I like that. I like it a lot. I saw this on Waterstone's shopper. I saw it on, oh my god, here she goes. It's been September's box. Clapping around everywhere. So this month has been September. Really enjoyed that box. I hope that you enjoyed me. You enjoyed me. Ah.